Peel it, slice it into small chunks, and you're already halfway to a powerful drink. Bananas are a true superfood for men's health, rich in potassium for better blood circulation and bromelain, an enzyme that supports healthy testosterone levels. By the way, where are you watching from? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to know. Bananas also boost your mood, thanks to tryptophan, which helps your body produce serotonin, the happiness hormone. Next, add 1 teaspoon of instant coffee. This will give you a strong energy kick. Caffeine improves circulation, stamina, and endurance. Mash the banana with a fork until smooth. I like using a fork because it gives more control over the texture. Fun fact, coffee doesn't just wake you up. It may also lower the risk of certain diseases and speed up metabolism. Mix the banana and coffee until the granules dissolve. This combo is amazing. Banana brings natural sweetness and creaminess, while coffee adds a pleasant bitterness and instant energy. Now let's add kiwi. Cut it in half, scoop out the flesh with a spoon, and grate it finely into the mixture. Kiwi is loaded with vitamin C even more than an orange and helps with digestion. Stir everything well for a smooth, balanced texture. Next, 2 teaspoons of natural honey. Not only does it add sweetness, but it's also a natural aphrodisiac rich in boron, which helps regulate testosterone. Plus, it strengthens your immune system and fights fatigue. Pure natural energy. Mix until the honey blends in completely. Now sprinkle in some chia seeds, tiny but mighty. They're full of omega-3 fatty acids, which are great for your heart, brain, and energy levels. Pour the mixture into a larger jug and add milk, enough for 2 servings. Mix well so all the flavors combine perfectly. And there you have it. A delicious, nutrient-packed drink that boosts energy, supports health, and tastes amazing. Try it today and feel the difference. Whether you're 30 or 70, this mix is pure vitality in a glass. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.